now, just.
I was gonna take a video of the water.
No, not right now.
You stop.
You need help getting to that next one, Maria? Okay. So you stand right here.
Well, I need to stop right now.
I want to see them come across the river. Actually, take that side. I need to come back here. I need some room. Stay right here. Okay. And then Maria. Right side. Alright.
Can you put it in your backpack?
You need a little rest, so this will be a good time for a rest. Well, when we get up to the top, we're going to have our snack. Come here, I'll wipe your nose.
I am a Hummer, and I run out of gas quick.
I am a Jeep, a four-wheel drive Jeep, because I can walk on these mountain trails. All right, look over here, you two.
I'm going to be a Porsche Model A.
Harry, look over here. I mean,
I'm going to be a motorcycle.
Ooh.
What are you, Lloyd? What kind of car? I'm a Hummer.
I'm a Volkswagen Bug. A Porsche Island, so you're going to be first one to the top?
Let's go. Vamonos.
Vamonos.
Vamonos. The Chevrolet starting up its engine.
Is the Porsche going?
Yeah, engine.
Is a Hummer a Chevrolet?
Chevrolet.
No, he's changed his mind, I think. What's a Hummer?
I wish I got Rango.
Your juice is right here.
What are you doing, Mom?
Sit right there. What am I doing? I'm going to eat one of these too. Yeah.
You mean a whole one?
Uh-huh.
What the heck? Mine's hanging down.
You want to pick those up first? Harry, you want this? There are enough fruit roll-ups for the adults if an adult wants one. Anybody want one of these? I don't care. I think you're side. You want one of those? No raisins? Anybody want a cookie over here? Actually, you know what? I would take one because I bet if there's enough, I might get sunset on.
I was thinking about being up here.
The radio. Sour Town.
You're scared.
Scary. Then come down. The IC radio tower. Then come down. IC radio tower. It's Sour Town Mountains. And
maybe if
All our family pictures is like they're all about 4 feet away from each other.
Alright, come here.